Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can export transparent video in Premiere Pro. If you look at here, I have this transparent video which I wanna export, but before I export this video I need to confirm that whether the video is transparent or not. So for that, just click on this range icon and just enable the option transparency grid, and yeah, you can see that the video background is transparent and we are ready to go. So for that, just click on export in order to export the video. Now if you want to change the file name, you can change that from here. Similarly, you can change the location where you want to save this. I'll just keep it on default. Then we need to change the format. So format we need to change to QuickTime, which is right here. Once you change the format, it's time to change the video codec. So for that, just expand video and choose the video codec to animation. Then click on this more button in order to access advanced settings. Scroll a bit and you will see the option called depth. So we have to choose this on 8 bpc plus alpha. Then just click on export, and yeah, there you go, the video is exporting. So wait for a couple of seconds here. Once the export is done, and if you try to open the video, you're gonna see that they cannot play the video due to the format. But if you open the same video on Premiere Pro, the video will play for sure. And yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can export transparent video in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.